Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 head idioms you've never heard of. Number 1, use your head. It means think carefully or sensibly. Example, you forgot your homework again? Use your head and set a reminder next time. Number 2, on your head be it. It means you are responsible for what happens, the choice was yours. Example, if you skip the review and fail the test, on your head be it. Number 3, in over your head. It means involved in something too difficult to handle. Example, he took on 3 projects at once and soon realized he was in over his head. Number 4, get it into your head. It means to firmly believe or decide something. Example, why did you get it into your head that I was lying about the test date? Number 5, bite someone's head off. It means react with sudden, harsh anger. Example, I just asked a question and he bit my head off. Number 6, off the top of your head. It means from memory, without thinking carefully. Example, off the top of your head, how many countries can you name? Number 7, turn heads. It means attract strong attention or admiration. Example, her bright blue dress really turned heads at the party. Number 8, head start. It means an early advantage over others. Example, if you finish the first chapter tonight, you'll have a head start on the exam. Number 9, can't make head nor tail of it. It means unable to understand something at all. Example, I can't make head nor tail of this email, it's full of confusing details. Number 10, lose your head. It means panic or lose control emotionally. For example, when the dog ran into the street, she completely lost her head for a moment. So, how did you do? Did you find these head idioms fun or confusing? Don't worry if you can't make head nor tail of it right away, just keep practicing. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.